Alright guys, so we got some new wheels for Casper. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, back again with another video. And in today's video we're going to be working on Casper yet again. We're doing a lot of videos on this car right now, and hopefully you guys are all enjoying it. And in today's video we're going to be installing new shade wheels we have for Casper. These are 18-inch, and tires on these are fairly new. The size we're going for are 245 45 R18, and they should be good on the car. I've seen the car with these on before. They look very nice, and this is the bumper we have for the car as well, which is going on another day because I need to get the license plate mount for this one as well, because I don't want to make holes in the bumper. So for now we're going to be putting these wheels on the car and see how it looks. I feel like it's going to look good with these. If you compare it to the stock wheels, it is a bigger wheel, so I feel like it's going to look good on the car. Yeah, we have the wheels, they're a bit bigger, they're going to look good on the car. And of course with those we need lug nuts as well for this too, because the original ones won't work. So we got these, the adapter piece for that. I'm going to put these on and see how it looks. Alright, so we have the old wheel off, new wheels right there. As you guys can see, we have a spacer in here too. It's a 82.5 millimeter spacer, so a 1 1/4 inch wheel spacer. We have these all around the car on each wheel. So we're gonna put on the new wheel, and we'll have the side put on, and then we'll bring the car down and we'll compare the stock wheel to the aftermarket wheels. This is how it is stock, and this is how it is with the niche wheels. So now all we gotta do is make sure this side is all torqued down and put on the other side as well, and then we'll have the final product. All right, and there you guys go. This is how it looks. The new wheels on, looks really nice. What do you guys think? Give me your opinions and comments down below if you guys think this is good. Does it look good? I'd say it looks good. So with that guys, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you all in the next video. All right, see ya.